Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorbin number 16Z 1/2 inch zinc flange interlocking weather strip. So basically this is a roll-formed strip of zinc material. It's not magnetic. It's going to be corrosion resistant. That is used as weather stripping. You can use this with great success in wood door applications. You can use this in window applications, but you're going to see it primarily indoors. And this is the 16Z. It's available in 1/2 inch, also available in 3/4 inch. And here's what it looks like. Now, there is an image below this video showing the cross section of the item and where it is installed. Generally on the on the hinge side is where you're going to find that it would be installed. Okay, now let's take a look. Now you're going to have your 16Z, the 1/2 inch dimension. There you go. 7/16 would be the projection, and the roll former that they're using is not laser precise. Let's go over it. They show that this is 16,000ths of an inch. When I put the caliper on it, it tells me 0.022 inch thick. The overall width caliper's telling me 0.57 inch, 0.57. Again, just approximations. Then that 3/8 projection, 0.41 inch, so close. Now, when used on the hinge side of the door is where you're going to use this piece. It would be attached to the jamb, as the drawing shows. You would have a slot cut in the style of the door, and that's where the hemmed over area would fit into. If you have a double door, you would use this on both hinge sizes. You can also, and I have also seen these installed simply as two nested hooks together where they've got like a rabbet done in the meeting style of two doors. And that would be appropriate. When you have a single door or a double door, what will be done for the lock style and the header, you would use a combination of the M4Z hook that would nest into the larger 32Z hook. So the larger one is going to be attached to your jamb header. The smaller one will nest inside of it. You'd have a small mortise on the top of the door or on the lock style of the door. And that's something that you can see when you search the Dorbin catalog. This being the 16Z, you don't see the head and lock style assembly because that would be the M4Z, the 32Z, and you can search those two links. Now, on the right-hand side, when you're adding to the cart, you have to tell us whether or not you want nails. Nails are sold per ounce only. It would make sense if they would just sell them by how many pieces that you need, but they don't. Approximately an ounce of nails is 65 nails. If you then determine what your center to center would be, and Dorbin would tell you 1.5 inch, but everyone that I speak to, and myself included, thinks that's far too close. So let's say you needed 3-inch center for your nails, just using a number. 65 times 3, let's say divided by 12, that's going to give you, 16 feet worth of nails. Okay? So that's a lot of nails if all you need is one piece, or whatever your center to center is going to be. Or for a small piece like this, 36-inch piece, I think, you only need like 12 nails, maybe more. But, okay, so you're going to have to, if you need nails, you're going to have to buy the ounce of nails. You'll have extra nails. But here's how to go about it. If, let's say you're doing 20 of these pieces. Well, determine how many nails you'll need based on your center to center. Order X number of the 16Zs with nails. Then order the balance nails not required so that you don't get an overage of nails. And that's how you would go about doing that. Okay. There is a link below this video to the nails only, so you can order them all nails not required and then just pick up, you know, whatever ounce of nails that you need. This material is also available in the bronze finish as well. The bronze base material, in a mill finish, I should say. And that's the 16B, so B for bronze, Z for zinc. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Dorbin products that we sell, but a link to the product catalog, which is very handy because what that will allow you to do is when you get to the end of the catalog, you can search for, which happens to be where the zinc and bronze weather stripping is located. You'll be able to review all of the interlocking bronze and zinc, the nested hooks, the rib strips, all of the weather stripping for wood double hung windows as well. And Dorbin is in a very small group of manufacturers that still offers material like that. Here in Chicago, there's hundreds of thousands of those windows that must exist. And it's just not realistic to replace windows when really all you need is some, or doors for that matter, when really all you need is a piece of weather stripping. Okay? I'm partial to Dorbin, not only because I'm a distributor of theirs in my family for several decades, but the fact of the matter is this. They're excellent at what they do. They have a relatively petite footprint of weather stripping, but they sell that material that you're going to use all the time. They ship it very well in terms of cost and lead time, and they're prompt, reliable people to do business with. If you have any questions on the Dorbin 16Z, 1/2 inch flange style zinc weather stripping, or any other Dorbin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.